how you can draw on shared screen in Zoom meeting. So all you're gonna have to do is to open your Zoom workplace and we're gonna create a new meeting. So create a new one and click on start. Next step is to, in down menu bar, click on share and simply select the type of sharing. I got, for example, content only, and then simply click share. Once you are sharing your screen, you can use drawing feature. So move your mouse to the top and this menu bar will appear. It's available in sharing mode, and here is the annotate. Simply click it, and on the left is this bar, and you can draw something if you want to, and people in your meeting will also see that. So that's how you can draw in your shared screen. Now you are sharing screen. If you want to turn off or stop sharing screen, you can do it. And that's how you can do it. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.